Hey guys, what's up? It's Leaf here from Coding with Leaf, and today we got a really exciting topic. We're talking about how to use Lace Wallet, the new wallet made by IOG for the Cardano blockchain. It's lightweight, it's a single address, so it's simple to use, and it's basically made for people coming from other blockchain ecosystems like Ethereum or Bitcoin, and you don't want to interact with dapps on the Cardano blockchain, but these other wallets are really confusing for you. Lace is a really simple solution to that. So once you install Lace into your Chromium-based browser, we're just going to open up the UI in order to set it up. So now we have Lace open here, and it's going to ask you want a new wallet, hardware wallet, or restore wallet. I'm going to restore a wallet today, but it's going to give you a notification that you have to pay attention to. Are you restoring from a multi-address wallet? If so, Lace should not be the answer for you. As I mentioned, Lace is a single address wallet. So it is basically going to only keep track of the transactions on a single address, where if you're coming from a multi-address like Daedalus, then you are going to run into an issue where you're not going to see all the transactions and all the money and all the ADA you actually have available to you. But if that meant nothing to you, you have nothing to worry about, because all you have to do is create a new wallet. Okay, now I'm going through the wallet restore phase. If you're creating a wallet, it's going to look very similar, where you click through the terms and conditions. I recommend to read all of them, and then name your wallet. That's basically just a cosmetic thing. Understand that IOG doesn't have access to your private keys, doesn't have access to your personal data. They do tracking for pseudo-anonymous analytics, so keep that in mind. Of course, if that's something that makes you upset, then don't use this program. If you have a wallet name, this is going to be again cosmetic. I'm just going to name this Leaf mainnet1. Once we type in our password here, this is not going to be your password related to your wallet itself. This is just the password to open the extension. Your private keys are actually what constitutes the right to your ADA on the blockchain. And here's where you enter your secret passphrase, or if you're creating a wallet for the first time, this is where you're going to generate those key phrases, and you're going to store those somewhere safe, because that is your only access you have to your wallet. And if you lose those, you're going to lose all your assets. Okay, so here I have one of my wallets loaded up. Again, this is a single address account before, so everything I did on this address is now loaded into Lace. Previously I was using the Nami wallet extension, but now I'm going to be using this for the Lace. You can see my transaction history. This is just showing that you can view things that have happened on the blockchain. These are the NFTs. I signed up for some weird airdrops when Cardano NFTs first came out, and I just got these stupid NFTs. I don't really think any of them have much value or meaning or anything, but I'll just keep them nonetheless, right? And then you can see staking. You can set up staking, of course, something you want to do. So here you see my tokens. I have a few tokens here that I actually don't really think are very valuable anymore. They were airdropped to me, like the life log token, and I just noticed it's basically worth nothing now. Let's test a transaction on the Lace wallet. So you can see here I'm currently on the MuesliSwap decentralized application. This has support for the Lace wallet. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you authorize MuesliSwap to make transactions on your wallet. Once you authorize it, then you're going to be able to actually interact with the application. So now you can click the swap instantly once you've set in your parameters, and it's going to ask you some questions about whether or not this transaction is okay for you. I'm actually losing money on this transaction. It cost me more to make this switch than it does to just keep it, but I'm doing this for for demonstration purposes. So then you're going to enter your wallet password. This is basically, again, a password to confirm transactions, not tax to the local wallet. And then boom, now we have this situation where we've placed an order or we've interacted with a smart contract. Now when we actually look at our wallet, we're going to notice that the LifeLog token is gone, and we made the transaction. This has been a really quick demonstration of how you can use Lace wallet made by IOG, and I think you guys actually should be using this to interact with different smart contracts and decentralized applications. If you're interested in learning more on how to develop on top of this, or you're interested in learning more about how this stuff works, you should definitely subscribe to my channel, because this is what we talk about. We always talk about Cardano development, Cardano ecosystem type stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video.